Test mic. Ayan. This is an update on the video that we created on the trade plan that we created, yung tatlong patterns in one currency, which is the bat, the butterfly, and the head and shoulders. So at exactly around 3 o'clock, 3:30, lahat po ng confirmation natin pumasa na po. So ang nangyari, we took the trade, no? Nag-trade na po tayo. Nagbigay na po tayo ng entry point. Now, what I'm going to talk right now is, since meron na po tayong entry point, meron din tayong stop loss, saan ang first take profit natin? Although I have talked last time and specifically inputted na dito mailalagay ang ating take profit. However, since hindi po nasunod lahat itong plano na to, only the butterfly and the ABCD, hindi po nabuo ang bat pattern. So automatically we shifted on the head and shoulders, which is the 5 confirmation. Now sa 5 confirmation naman, and pumasa naman po lahat, kaya tayo nag-trade. So basically, ang nangyayari, we're going for the head and shoulders. Now, since mayroon nagbago on the first trade plan natin, we have to study again and measure again ano ang ideal take profit for this trade. So currently, meron tayong dalawang trade. Yan po, nakita po natin na meron na tayong dalawang entry. Right? No? So iniwalay ko po yung isa for the reason kasi this account is a small account, magma-margin call tayo, no? So I break rules regarding my money management with this one. However, for the reason I need to prove something, ganun po kasi ako so para hindi ko matulugan, kailangan live account ang ginagamit ko. So I'm totally risking mga maliit lang naman po, around $20 dito for this account. Now, for this account, nandito po yung tinatawag natin na entry point natin. Ito. Ang stop loss natin is this one. Itong nasa taas. This one. As you can see, it's 30 pips. At itong isa, mali po yan. Dapat dyan din siya. 25 pips. So, bakit 30 and 25 pips? Kasi yan lang po ang kaya ng account to maintain my exposure, no? To maintain the my money management na hindi naman tayo ma-margin call. Right? So, now, what I'm going to talk is the take profit. So sa take profit po, actually dito ko binase sa daily time frame kasi napakalakas maghanap ng support and resistance if nasa daily time frame ka. So what I could see here, eto, the completion of head and shoulders is nandito, kaya yung first take profit natin nakalagay dyan. The second take profit is nandito, no? Bakit nandyan? Ito po ang reason niya. Kasi po, there is a pattern forming. Yan po, 1 day time frame. Ikita mo, this is the head and shoulders. Tapos meron pong ABCD pattern, no? ABCD. And the first take profit is the completion of head and shoulders based on the support and resistance in 1 day. Kaya nandito. Pero pwede rin po kayo maglagay dito, pero the safest way, safest TP is eto. Nandyan. Now, that's the sure na neckline ng head and shoulders. Now, the second take profit na nilagay ko nandito. Yan. Bakit? Kasi po, this is the completion naman po ng ABCD pattern. Pag sinukat po natin from here to there, ang retracement niya na 1 to 7 is ilalagay dito. Which is the base of support resistance in 1 day time frame. Kaya dyan ko po ilagay ang second take profit. And that's around 159 pips. Yung first take profit natin, it's around 94 pips lang po. So, again, take note po meron pong tinatawag na nananakot itong head and shoulders. So, hopefully wala siya ngayon sa pattern na to na pinihit natin. But if ganun ang mangyari, just trust the 5 system since pumasa siya. So, let's just trust that one. We have data on that one and we've been trading that one for years already. Kaya stay put lang po kayo. Huwag nyong iuurong ang stop loss. Yan. Confident po tayo. Basta pag head and shoulders ang pinag-uusapan. So, that's it. Yan lang po ang gusto kong sasabihin in regards with the take profit. Hopefully, yung nakasabay at yung nag-message sa akin, ito, as you have requested, ito na po. So, imagine na lang kung naging estudyante ko kayo, how much more ko kayo matuturuan and magaguidan in every details, in every step that I take. Right? So, maraming salamat po. Good luck on our trade.